I go into my onboard scales and this thing's showing that this truck is completely overloaded. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got the Lightning back in the garage. Big Ford Lightning things going on. These trucks here, lightning fast, right? The rear of the Lightning is sitting a lot lower than it was in the last video that I posted.
I'm gonna try and get it down another 2 inches just to get this thing sitting nice and level.
This thing is now sitting level. The wheel gap in the back and the front is pretty well exactly the same. I did have a couple hurdles to get through with getting this rear end down to sit where it is. I go into my onboard scales and this thing's showing that this truck is completely overloaded. I gotta mess with the ride height sensors now to make them happy, because right now they think the truck is down because of the weight that's in it. Whereas if you look here, we got no weight in this truck. There's nothing. Obviously, it's just those sensors being in that position. Now, I did rework how they sit and I moved the bracket, but I guess I didn't move it enough. So I've actually got a part on the sensor scribed from where it was from factory. So I'm just gonna move those back to where they were, and then hopefully this computer is happy. That's what I'm gonna do now. Look at that fancy stuff. Sounds like it's gonna fall apart. So I'm thinking I could set you guys up right here. And as I move the sensors, I'm hoping that you get a real-time view of this weight going down to 0. So I think that'll be pretty cool. And then once I'm actually like close to 0, you can recalibrate these and reset them to be 0 because you won't have anything in the truck. But since it's thinking it's overloaded now, it won't allow me to do that. All right, guys, so in my last video, somebody commented, oh, I'm an electrical engineer. I could make something to trick the computer. I think we should keep this thing simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you here. We're maxed out, right? I'm gonna go ahead, set you guys down here. Get you front row seat to the screen there. Okay, so I'm going out back now. And we are just going to bring the arm down, like that. So as you can see, we've already dropped quite a bit of our weight, which is awesome because it really didn't weigh all that much in the first place. And I'm going to the other side, the driver's side. I'm gonna do the same thing with that sensor. So I'm gonna bring this one right down to level, and we should be close to 0. Okay, awesome. So we're at 0 there, and I got both of these sensors sitting exactly where they were from the factory. And now, should be able to go in here, vehicle mode, scale mode. Look, reset scale to 0. So I'm just gonna hit that button. Yes. All right, scale reset to 0. It would not let me do that before because it was so much over the weight that it thought was in the truck. So now we are ready to rock. If you're planning on modifying your truck, think about these things because they will come into play. Totally anticipated this happening, but didn't know how it would go, how easy, how hard it would be. So all I've done right now is I've just pivoted the bracket. There's 2 parts of that rod and they both swivel. So all I'm doing is pivoting the bracket, and I'm just gonna snug it up for now and see how that works. What I probably will do though in the future is re-drill a hole, move the bracket lower. That way it moves exactly how it should. So I'm not gonna do that right now because I have to pull the wheel off to get it off. But I'm gonna relocate how it mounts. But anyways, very simple fix. I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna go for a drive tomorrow, and I'll keep you guys in the loop at how it works out and how this thing performs.